Hi students, myself Dr. B. Ranganath. I am a chemistry lecturer. So today I am going to discuss about how to calculate percentile in IIT JEE. So before going to percentile, I am explain for new pattern this year changes. Physics 100 marks, number of questions is 25. Chemistry 100 marks, number of questions 25. Maths 100 marks, number of questions 25. Total 300 marks out of 75 questions. Last year 35 questions are there. Now question marks is 120, 120, 360. This year 300. So this is new pattern. Okay. So in this new pattern from 1 to 25. So from 1 to 20 multiple objective questions. Here in multiple questions mean objective questions, correct marks are 4 and negative marks is -1. So 20 to 25 numerical questions are there. In this numerical questions, correct is 4 and negative is there is no negative marks. There is no negative marks. So how to calculate percentile? So what is percentile? First of all, percentile. What is the, before going to percentile, what is the difference between percentage and percentile? Percentile. So percentage gives standard. Percentage gives standard. Means for example, out of 100%, how much percentage given? 92, 90 or 50. So this percentile gives position. The percentile gives position. Means how much position in a given rank. Okay. So what is the percentile? Percentile is equals to position. So percentile equals to position into 100 divided by appeared. So in this 2020, how many students are registered? So total 11,18,678 students are registered. So how many members are appeared? So appeared means nearly 9 lakhs 20,000 students are appeared. Okay. So in this is the, so in India total how many IIT seats are available in total India? Total IIT seats are nearly 11,000, I think 11,000. So 11,289 seats IITs. NITs. How many NIT seats are available? Nearly 90,000 seats. So 11,289 seats are IITs, 19,000 are NITs out of 31 NITs. So these are the seats for in India. So for example, I am calculating percentile in day 1 and day 1 session 2, for example in session 2. So this IIT JEE conducted 2 phases. One is January and another one is April. So in January phase, this is January phase. For example, you can assume day 1 in session 1. How many members are appeared in January? Day 1 in session 2 means, for example, 1,80,000 are appeared. We can assume as 1,80,000. So highest marks in this, for example, you can assume as 295. So average position is for example average position you can assume as 90,000. So lowest position, for example 10 marks in first position. Here in this IIT JEE, lowest marks give highest position, highest marks in lowest position. So give lowest position. So calculate what is percentile. So percentile, what is percentile? Percentile equals to position. What is the position? 90,000 into 100. How many students are appeared in day 1 in session 2? 1,80,000 students are appeared. So we can calculate by calculator. So it is nearly 50 percentile. So these students, for example, A students got 50 percentile in day 1 session 2. For example, in day 4 in session 6. So highest marks is highest marks is, for example, 285. Average position is for example 89,000. Lowest position is 10 marks. This is first position. So how many members are appeared in, for example, we can assume as a 2 lakhs. Nearly 2 lakh students are appeared in day 4 in season 6. So what is the percentile? What is the percentile? Percentile is equals to position. What is the position? 89,000 position into 100. How many members are appeared? For example, we can assume 2 lakhs. So what is the percentage? You can calculate by calculator. So nearly this candidate got 44.5 percentile. So some students are doubt. In one student got 50 percentile in day 1 season 2, and another student got 44.5 percentile in season 6. So but this student is brilliant compared to this student, but is it less? To observe this, here maximum marks is 295, but here 285 only. So marks also decreases. So don't fear about this one. So total rank is decided by final. So and April also conducted in, for example, A candidate. So A candidate 50 percentile in January phase, and next for example 45 percentile in April phase. But B candidate, what is the percentile for January phase? 44.5. For example, in April phase you got 80. So which one is considered out of 2 phases? So the rank is decided by 2 phases, that is January phase and April. So for example, B students is got highest 80 percentile in April. So this is considered as a main. So not considered as 44. So which one is highest? That one is considered. So here 50 percentile in January phase, 45 percentile is in April. So this is the considered percentile. So original rank decided by combination of combined January and April phase. April. So original rank is decided by 2 phases. So don't fear, students. So in some sessions are less marks, and next you can try to, for example, in April you got 80, means increases the performance. So definitely this one is considered. So this is the how to calculate percentile. And next, how many seats are available. So thanks for watching. So please subscribe.